Hi, there are several models of the Tecno Pop X 5G on sale, and if you don't have the Hide Apps feature where I'm going to show you now, like I do, then you can only hide them the way I'm showing you.